أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مزر الإيمان زون تبر من تي explain بنشاو on مزر الإيمان one of our programs man yela moon sighting Ghana ka tiyina ta nan education on moon sighting ka tukubon to summarize methods shanga tenen na adopted nan moon sighting ma to educate the public army chitiza. Basically, to use three methods. So every month, to tell information based on that three methods. Kapiri and Borshele. I can pila and Borshele. Now, then cut razan you see. I chant to Malay moon site in Ghana on Facebook. Tell my WhatsApp platform. Tell upon updated. Kaya never come to Zion Lama Pocho this year. Last month, that got put on so being well pocho and it's going to happen now in Popone. So trapun yelle. So I want to just tell people how to use the methods shelling advanced demand. I bought shell you should be convinced. So basically to use three methods. Now one to use local sighting, can use global sighting, can use astronomical calculations. So every month, local sighting ya da global sighting kenan mu I bought global sighting ka dola. I mean bought local sighting ka dola. Ya astronomical calculations on one year. Copy ga mbor it's just about selection. So I mean to that in my time yeah is very important. Some nyama I now tila jama ma na saha. So I've been careful with sahama. La measure time ma. I jama ma kuto pare. For instance, lehe kanna. Aku da piyama biyar ya bi la. Katina bu chang chong na ka korgo. Aka lara. Aku korgo la nam da zo. Shi a chang chong ne. Nta po to kana kana to korgo. Halka shi ni sha je ka lamam korgo ka ni ka kuna. Nta to korgo to din kama le. So ne mo pepe yinga u bedtime. And the time could just be 1 hour difference. So Islam to the time man very very important. Now I lay commanding no that fit. I could not mistake at chance to Ghana until aka the area. So any time bo mama before. And yes, a cat fit you have to give before. Tell mami after. So timing is very important. So look at where moon my issue man. You tell you we need to get people educated. Because goal is the yina karsis na use some ka perum bayar shansu ka bi usele amanka anan chutama. So for instance now what we should know is that yeah kama tun ko wani tiyar se ne roshan basically fike punya adine fike punya man nan like tun nan videos ma ya da be YouTube ka be Facebook ka sha be TikTok. So if anybody thinks that tun ko yar shan is not true, you have the free will to counter it. Because if I hear coming come and show mislead the umama, cover counter it, chama the Latins are now to it. So let's be so because here to go yell, then be yell, it is a noun to it. Will I can explain it. Now, if you keep punya, bet you local site in ya. Kagana wo. Let's just get this thing straight. Bubu mata ne kama Ghana ya bet you ku ben yell kama anabe so kam ni yama. Lala yama is not Ghana. Fikir Hafalmiya is about horizon, but Malta seem in moonrise, moonset, and sunset. Lama ke yalle. So lala benale ni tuan katmin Togo nama Benin, banama West Africa zaba kat Malta seem zone. So then ye local ma. Ama ka Ghana, specifically Ghana, then ka fikino. Na ka kana tele ba global. Antu kwenye so no global kabila. Kaya tuwale Saudi Congo. That's not global. Africa doesn't come in the global. Global means anywhere in the world. We could not do dollar. So, Pena Mad Martin could peel up and shire, Nissan and Pilo, Kalanga, and Pins on Zabadozo. Local Bukagananya, global Casaudia. So, didn't the Malaka Zabadozo. Who had a cup basis in Adina, and a Pila, Karan Zabadozo. Why? So let's get it straight now. So local site ma, then balama. So then gonna say what to tell you that oh, to wum kabanye gwelma shapulo. So that's both local sites and balama. But then that's cutting aside and balama. Will just give you information. So to man global sites. So we kun yell shapulo ka. We will tell you that gwelma no la. Oh, you know, and use ka use. Habanel kuya sham bi kun yo shapulo. Point E ka banyo country E. Ka biɛɣuni ka a gba nyu bɛ sa ku nyi suŋa ka a nyɛma ka goli palli nya reset yina so ŋun yɛn kaandi second day so nyini kaandi first day adana n bala so let's get this thing straight it's not anything I understand ti zaŋli mi zoogi so it is natural that until yina ti yɛri different thing people will feel irritated ka soori yisi but with time they will come to terms with it it's just a matter of time now this is where Catherine strength be astronomical what calculations man you got strength to be because we say that Anab Sahama there were two options. Either there were two options to determine the Islamic culture was yamya. Golma conjunction nangya ka wuntang ka golma na biane. Then got a borgol si wuntang luya ka golma na biane. Now so Anab Sahama ya calculation meaning fiscal side no kana biya le ne to mi calculation ma no ya electric nation but mi calculation so we calculator so they should physically sight the moon that is what we tell them that the moon is physically present in the horizon after sunset on the 29th bibi nyel den 30th ma so anya biya ne na pal me 30 ma bibran yel na nyama because 30 ma the day the it means that the moon exists in the horizon that means certainty can born our establishment. So anything that gives you certainty, you have to go by it. Come on, calculations. Ten kuyarma. BT sonity and knowing your they ask him when. They use the time because they know the moon sets on that day. So moon sets ma come on I and Nanya Guelma 6:30. Come minimum moon sets and 6:20 then Delma. Now me moon ma blame by 6:30. Benishir Kama. Calculation yellow ma rejected. If an insel P year track a calculation year and can brief calculations ma. The calculations here are no piano, will have been so I could use halfway, we should be fair to calculations. Now, 10 year ne, the chances of even sighting the moon than make a last month, man, there are proof la because conjunction random. There are 10 palm time, sunset, man, there are 10 moon that pun set. To ban the moon that set before sunset, look at Avenue, and that's why they issued statement saying that when you well makaboshi the next day. So per mutant matter and calculation, then that lead the Ramakana by the day. So 13, 14, 15, that down on the law. So per our calculation, today is 29th. And tomorrow will be 30. But Makana Mukandala is on I think 28 or so. And yeah. So what will happen is that now so last month man Ghana travel a lag time of 6 minutes. Lag time manila the difference between sunset and moonset. So sun mada set okay moon man been for 6 minutes. So to them per astronomical calculation here once the sun set ka moon never set ka lag time could be who claim who say that the moon exists in the horizon. So this is what will happen. Tonight, young conjunction at 8 UT time. So Makanama ban maybe 11 and 8, 9, 10, 11 yes. So 3 hours. So UT time current now. So by tomorrow next, so 60 and maybe I tell me like 22 hours. So this are moon mark and it's a lag time of is it 15 minutes or so back. Because moon ma sun ma so zone for us day and 8 ma took to lambo she marata to lambo so the next day. So sun man is supposed to moon man for some time before canopy. So Januna will see them. But that's how it works. It's not anything difficult. It is not anything difficult. So but it's just a matter of time. We'll get there and we'll continue to educate the public and we will continue to be in check. We need to get things clear and the bank comments that my goes with measurement, moon match with measurement, And measurement, once it starts measuring, it doesn't go back to measure for every country. And that is why I've captured in my book, this book, try and get a copy of this book. I've captured this book. In this book, you know, the world as a compound house, the compound house scenario, man. Houses, man, rooms, man, new countries, man. So the moon appears to the house, not the rooms. And anybody who, any room that sees the moon, the house can use it. It's contained in this book. So let's get now known to Qatar. So that is why it is from this base Qatar and Mandeka, the MP. So now based on the answers and Guelma, now this year to Zane and Lu Alpha Dima, Dine, so be money foreign Alpha Casoni by local Alpha. This year the baby better. Now no to Qatar, Kazotin and Boa, Kaku, to know the man for now yada. Can you sell them? Ni sell them yell and sha now yada Katu now to tie yada. Na mmiri mbete sorne ai nyɛ ti video share ma ka like ka join ti page ma ti paaya pam for the support ma ni kanna sham assalamu alaikum